welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you guys are new here, and if you guys are my OG subscribers, welcome back. I missed you. Today I am going to be doing a full face full of first impressions. I have so many new products that I have purchased and that I have been sent in PR and that I am super excited to try out for you guys and play around with today. So many good products that I've been super excited to play with. I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts on all of these products. I had a lot of hits and a lot of misses. So if you guys want to see my full face and how I achieved this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I try to upload new videos for you guys every single week. And don't forget to hit that like button if you guys enjoy it. It helps me so much. And don't forget to follow me in between videos on my social platforms. They will all be listed down in the description box for you guys. So enough talking, let's jump right in. Okay, so my face is moisturized using the Lancome Regenerist Multi-Action Ultra Moisturizer. I use this moisturizer every single day underneath my makeup, and I moisturize my lips using good old Aquaphor. This is the way to go. Now I'm going to jump in, and I am going to try the L'Oreal LUMI GLOTIONs today. They sent me all the shades. I have all of the shades except for the lightest one with me right now because obviously I'm not going to use the lightest one. But I think today I'm going to be using LUMI GLOTION number 903. This is medium glow. The deep glow would be perfect for when I'm tan, but I just don't think I'm that dark. I just want to be glowy. This doesn't have a smell, and it goes on pretty nice. I have a little bit of a glow. Yeah, it's just a nice subtle glow. This is moisturizing but not greasy, which is really nice. So far it feels really good on my skin. It's drying down, it's not too liquidy, it's a pretty good moisturizer. It seems like something that would be really good underneath makeup. Now moving into primer, I'm going to be using the Revlon Photo Ready Prep and Set. This is Prep, Set, and Refresh. It's a very fine mist, but it kind of smells like Play-Doh. Like, it's not the best smelling. Like, that has a really bizarre smell. I can't put my finger on it. I think it kind of smells like Play-Doh. It has a really nice fine mist, so we'll see how it works. Now I'm going to be going in with a foundation, and I just used this for the first time yesterday, and it is the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. Guys, this stuff is amazing. I was really surprised by this. I bought this and then I put it in my drawer because I was like, this doesn't really look like my color, but it seemed to match pretty well. So I'm going to try it in natural daylight because I tried it last night, just like threw it on. I didn't really have time to like fully assess it. We are going to try it today, and I am just going to use a brush. The only thing that I can say about this foundation is that it smells like paint. Like, literally, you know how acrylic paint smells? Like, that you used to use in like elementary school or in crafts? In like the big bottle? That's what this stuff smells like. But it literally goes on like a dream. It goes on like, it almost goes on like, you know, when you're putting on matte primer and it feels like very silicone-y and very thin and nice on your skin. That's just how this foundation feels. Like, it just feels super lightweight, but actually matte. Like, I feel like a lot of foundations lately claim to be matte, but they're more like a natural finish. Like, no, this is very matte. Like, you have to work very quickly with this too because it dries really fast. Like, look at that. My face looks flawless. I use the normal amount of foundation that I would use with any other foundation. I use 3 pumps for 3 sections of my face. So a pump here, a pump here, a pump here, and that usually gives me the coverage that I desire. This is just super full coverage right out the gate. It really does give great coverage. I have, like, it covered up all of my dark spots, my hyperpigmentation. I have like a freckle, but it's a big, really dark freckle that I have. You can kind of see it, but I mean, nobody's gonna be that close to my face. Other than that, I mean, I really like this. I really like this foundation. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using the new Laura Mercier concealer. This is Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. I believe this concealer is supposed to be a medium buildable concealer, and I am using the shade 3W. This doesn't really have a smell. It's thick, which I like. And I like this doe foot applicator. It's actually soft on my eyes. Like, I like doe foot applicators, but some doe foot applicators are really stiff. Like, this is very gentle, especially around the under eye area. And to blend that out, I'm going to be using the same BH Cosmetics No. 3 brush, which I've been loving for foundation and concealer lately. So just the first initial blend out. I think it looks pretty good. I always put a little extra in the hollows. I have extra dark circles underneath my eyes today because last night I was up really late, so I don't want to blame that on the concealer, but let's see if it'll cover it if I add a little bit more. Okay, so that is the first layer of the concealer, and overall, I mean, it blends seamlessly into the skin. It literally doesn't look like you have concealer on. It melts into all the other products that I used on my face. Oh my gosh, this lighting. Sorry guys, I'm trying to fix this lighting. It's like overcast, so the lighting keeps changing. But I'm going to place a little bit more underneath my eyes and see if it covers the hollowness a little bit more, since this is a more buildable coverage concealer. Let's see. I'm going to see how it looks when I set it all with powder. Okay, now I'm going to set it with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm going to be using this Morphe sponge. I like this sponge because it gets right in the corner of your nose. So my camera cut out, but I used the new BALM bronzers. These are the Take Home the Bronze bronzers, and I used them in the shade Grammy, and I just bronzed up the outer areas of my face, the normal ways that I would bronze. And I also used the Morphe M523 brush to just chisel out my cheeks with it. Blends out really nice, is a really nice color. They say it's supposed to be anti-orange, and I think that they did a pretty good job with the whole anti-orange thing. Now, just to bring some hydration back to my face, I'm going to use the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh Spray again, and I'm going to go in into my brows. That spray smells horrible. I'm not being gonna lie, it smells disgusting. Now that my brows are done, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. And for the eyeshadow, I already used some of the concealer just to place it over the eyes, and I'm just going to go over and set everything in place again with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And today I'm going to be using the Morphe 9B palette, and I saw this in Ulta when I was in there the other day, and it immediately grabbed my attention. The colors just like scream me. So I am going to try doing a smokier look today. That's just what I've been into lately, and I don't know why. And I'm going to start off by using Hang 10 all over the crease with the Morphe M433 brush. Now that that's all blended into the crease, I'm going to go in with Road Trip, and I'm going to go right on top. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Now Boarding, and I'm going to place that all over my lid. also going to go back in and take that same Morphe brush from before and buff that shade into the crease. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Volcano, and I'm going to pack that on the outer corner of my eye. Now I kind of get the Morphe hype because these shadows are blending out like a dream. This brush is blending like a dream. Now I am going to go back into the same palette, and I'm going to take that Now Boarding shade. And I'm also going to go back in with that Volcano shade and buff this on the lash line as well. Okay, now I'm going to try out this new liner from Revlon. It's the Revlon Color Stay Exactify liquid liner, and it kind of looks like a pizza cutter. This looks like something out of Final Destination. It's not the easiest thing to make like a straight line with. Like, I don't like that at all. Whew. I'm going to fix that with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I've been using this forever. Okay, now that we have lined the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and go in with mascara, and I'm going to be using the new Benefit BADGAL Bang Mascara. It's a lengthening mascara. And look at this wand. This is my type of wand. I don't know what it is with this mascara. It's really nice and lengthening, but at the same time, I've never had such an issue with a mascara getting all over my lid space up here. It got all over my my lash line. I've never really had an issue with that, and I don't know why this is all of a sudden like such a struggle for me. Now I'm going to move on to lips, and today I'm going to be using the Givenchy lipstick in Edgy, in 326 Edgy. Wow, I feel like played by this lipstick. I thought this was going to be like a lot darker, but look at the tube to how it looks on my lips. So I want. This is a very pretty lip color. I like this a lot. Now I'm going to go in with highlight, and I'm going to be using the True Match LUMI Glow Nude Highlighter Quad in Sunkissed. Now I think for some extra drama, I'm going to add the EYELURE number 117 lashes. So I'm going to put these on, and I will be right back. I am going to now go into my Pop Beauty Setting 101 palette, and I'm going to take the peach shade, and I'm going to use that to just brighten up underneath my eyes. It's a really nice color. So I know I already set my face, but I'm going to use my Ride or Die setting spray, which is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And here is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this full face of first impressions. I had some hits and I had some misses, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you never miss a new video. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, IG stories, all that jazz to keep up with me between videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!